Quick reading for April the 21st to the 22nd, Aquarius. Your cards are the Three of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Empress. Marami tayong mga bagay na inantay, humingi tayo ng signs, no, sa universe, para ipakita, sabihin, iparamdam ni person na we matter, na we are important, no, sa buhay niya. Hindi tayo sumuko dito sa relasyon na ito. May mga pagkakataon na pinanghihinaan tayo ng loob, yes. Merong mga pagkakataon na tinatamad na rin tayo. But we keep on going. Kasi with the Nine of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles is you waited. Eight of Pentacles, nagtanim ka. Nine of Pentacles is your harvest, no? Ten of Pentacles is naibenta mo na yung tinanim mo. So which means pataas na ng pataas. With the Empress in here, there's also something that your person probably thought of you na medyo binibigyan ka ngayon ng importansya nga, no, mas connected si person sa iyo ngayon. So this is your quick reading for April the 21st to the 22nd, Aquarius.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye.